How to log in Ask AI account. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will guide you on how you can log in the Ask AI account. Now, let's get started. First of all, open your Ask AI application on your mobile device. Over there, tap on the settings icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now, you can see an option of sign in. Tap on it. Here, you can log in with Google, Facebook, or your email. For now, I'm gonna log in my account using my email. Here, type in your email and password. After you have typed in your email and password, tap on sign in. Now you have successfully signed in to your account. If you found this video to be helpful, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.